A quick recap. In my last video, I documented the rising water levels in Hay River from May 9th until the morning of May 11th. I concluded that the worst was over, but it was just a taste of what was to come. Okay, well, it is about 10:50 and the ice is moving again. Holy cow, it's moving fast. I can just hear trees breaking in the distance. Uh-oh. Actually, I'm not even sure if it's safe to stand here. Yikes. Those trees have been falling down more and more. It's currently about 11:10. Wow, this Wednesday has been very interesting. Residents of riverfront areas in Hay River are advised to evacuate immediately due to high flood risk. That includes yours truly. Oh, now they turn it on. Emergency services just everywhere around town right now. What time is it? 11:33.
I don't want to go there. Look at the congestion there. I'm not going in there. I'm too scared.
You don't want to register then?
I'm too scared to go in the water. Oh, there he is. I don't even want to go down that way.
What do you advise that we do then?
I don't know, it's just safer to be on a higher ground. For me right now, that's what I want to do. Because
It's now past midnight. We've registered as evacuees. And we are just sitting at the caboose. It's the most popular place in town. It's also the only place with one light pole where you can see the ice. An evacuation order has been issued for all of Hay River. Residents head to higher ground or the community center. Residents can also travel by road to Enterprise and await there for more instructions. Well, I wasn't able to get gas because all the gas stations have really big lines actually. So I'm just gonna go to Enterprise. I have enough to go there and back. So that's the case now. Yeah, crazy. Looks like the whole town is moving to higher ground. Hay River is not as safe as we once thought. See, there's lineups at the gas station there. It is 2:24 in the morning. This is the rec center here. Sorry. I'd say most of Hay River is here tonight. Oh. This rec center is way cooler than Hay River's. What a day, I'll tell you, everybody. Okay, well, I'm safe here at Enterprise, so that's good. It is currently 3:05 in the morning, Thursday, 12th of May. And I'm just about to get ready to go to bed. Remember that one time I unironically slept in here? Now I am going to sleep inside my vehicle again. I don't have the heater, unfortunately, plugged in or anything, or fruit gushers roughing it tonight. But I'm by the community center in Enterprise, and there's washrooms and stuff, so if I need to do that business, it's close by. All right. We'll do some more hot ice tomorrow. Good morning, everybody. It is about 8:45 Thursday, May 12th. Me and Duke are just going for a walk here in Enterprise. It is 12:15 Thursday, May 12th. I'm at the store here, just getting gas. We're gonna go to Yellowknife. My mom forgot medication, and we can get that filled up there. So that's the plan now. So I'm just gonna fuel up and then start driving to Yellowknife, which is about another 5 hours away. It's not really close. Oh, look at that gas price. It is what it be, but that's gonna get us to Yellowknife. Jeez Louise, why does it always have to be Buffalo on the road? This is why I don't like driving the Yellowknife. Come on, guys, pick a side. Yeah, Duke, yes. Bark at them, bark at them. In Yellowknife now. About to go register as an evacuee here in Yellowknife. Okay, well, got some free food that benefits of being an evacuee. Anyways, yeah, this is the setup here in Yellowknife. Oh, ow, ow, how do you have such bony joints? Well, here in Yellowknife, and still in my vehicle, basically, we're gonna be here I don't know. I really don't know what the plan is. We had to come here because my mom needed to go get some medication, and yeah, we're doing that, and then I don't know. Seeing what's what, I guess. Hay River had close to 4,000 people evacuate around there. So all the surrounding communities are like filled with residents of that right now. So I may just chill out in my vehicle here. It's not getting too cold, and plus I think Duke is getting accustomed to it. He's okay if as long as I'm around. Okay. Into my log from Yellowknife.